Welcome to Taiwan community. The following is a tutorial on how to create a passkey for your Binance account. Step 1. Log into your Binance app and go to Profile, Security. Step 2. Select Passkeys and Biometrics. Step 3. Tap Add Authenticator. Step 4. Tap Continue and complete to FA. Step 5. You will see a pop-up. Confirm this is your Binance account's email address and choose a verification method to create a passkey. iCloud keychain for iOS devices only. USB security key for both iOS and Android devices. Another device for iOS devices only. Screen lock or PIN for Android devices only. This is Taiwan Blockchain Community. Welcome to subscribe and join us.